Hello everyone and welcome back to Appgeeker channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to a Windows PC. There are many different methods to do this, but I'm gonna show you 3 of the most popular ones. Whether you're looking to back up your photos on computer or simply want to free up space on your iPhone, the methods we're going to talk about in this video will help you transfer your iPhone photos quickly and easily. So, let's get started. The first option you can take for photo transfer from iPhone to Windows is to use the Photos app on your PC. And I'll show you how to do it step by step. Trust me, the process couldn't be easier. So the first step is to connect your iPhone to your Windows PC using a Lightning to an appropriate USB cable. And for data security, your iOS device may ask you to unlock your iPhone to trust your Windows PC. So just enter your screen passcode if prompted. And once your iPhone is connected, the Photos app should automatically launch on your Windows. If it doesn't, you can open it manually by clicking the Start menu and typing Photos in the search bar. Here you go. Click on it to open the Photos app. Alright, now, with the Photos app open, you can get an overview of the current pictures on your computer and you'll find your iPhone listed as a device. So, to transfer your iPhone photos, select the Import button from the top options on the right. And as you can see, the Photos app allows you to import photos to your PC from a connected media or USB device. So now, select your phone from the list and it will show you all the photos and videos on your device. Then, you just need to select the photos you want to transfer by ticking the selection box when you hover over them. And from the upper left corner, you can also choose where to save the selected items to your PC. Okay, once done, you're gonna confirm the transfer, and these photos will be located to the target folder on your Windows PC. The process is straightforward and quick. And remember that this will help you transfer the photos that are actually on your iPhone. For the iCloud photos and videos, you gotta download them on your phone, and then import them to your Windows PC through the same steps. Okay, another option for transferring photos from your iPhone to a Windows PC is using a fully featured data transfer software, the iPhone Data Transfer. Just as its name suggests, it helps iPhone users to transfer data to basically anywhere. With this helpful tool, you can easily transfer your photos and videos between Windows and iOS devices. Alright, to transfer iPhone data quickly, install and run the software on your computer first. You can check the video description for the download link and additional tips. Okay, when you open it up, connect your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC using a USB cable. And make sure to allow your iOS device to trust your computer if asked. Okay, once connected, you're able to access your iPhone data by selecting the tabs from the left side. So if you want to transfer pictures, choose the photos over here, and it displays all your iPhone photos on the screen. So now, you have the option to select whatever you want to transfer to your computer. To do that, just move your mouse to select exact pictures, or tick the check all box at the top to move them all. And now, from the top center, click the computer icon right here. This is the Export to PC option. One click on it, and all the checked images will be saved to your Windows PC immediately. See? It's quick and simple. Just connect your iPhone and select what files you'd like to move to your PC. And the iPhone data transfer will take care of the rest. So if you're looking for an easy way to transfer data files between your PC and iPhone, feel free to try it out by clicking the link below. The best thing for Windows users is that you always have different options to import photos from your mobile devices to your computer. So the last option we're gonna use is the Windows File Explorer, which makes it easy for you to access all your pictures in one place. Alright, let's get started. So, first, take your USB cable and connect your iPhone to your Windows PC. If you're prompted to trust your computer, tap on Trust on your iPhone. On your Windows PC, open the File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon on your taskbar, or by clicking on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then clicking on File Explorer. Now, in this File Explorer screen, you'll see a list of devices and drives. Look for your iPhone and click on it. After that, you'll see a list of folders. Then double-click the internal storage folder and find the DCIM folder. Click on it to open. Now, in the DCIM folder, as you can see, all your photos and videos are here, sorted by date. So take your time to select the photos that you want to transfer by holding down the Control key and clicking on each photo. Alright, once you've selected everything you want to import, right-click on one of the selected photos and choose Copy. Next, navigate to a different folder on your Windows PC where you want to store your photos. Right-click on an empty space in the folder and choose Paste. The transfer may take a few seconds, depending on the number of photos you're moving. Wait patiently until the process is complete. And that's it. You now know how to transfer photos from your iPhone to a Windows PC in 3 different ways. Whether you use the Photos app, Windows File Explorer, or iPhone data transfer software, you can easily back up your photos, free up space on your iPhone, or access iPhone pictures from your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next video.